What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So a little update on the van. I got some bad news about the van. It needs tie rods, which are not cheap. I ended up getting the tie rods on 1A Auto. I got their brand Torque TRQ. It was about $130. As you can see, it was definitely time to replace this whole assembly. These things are so shot, super loose, which was definitely the reason for the van just being all over the road. Yeah, I'm very glad I replaced them. Alright, so as you can see, got the van up on a lift. Makes it much easier to work on. As you can see, already got them replaced. I ended up ordering these on 1A Auto. I got their brand, TRQ, or like Torque. But I didn't want to record because I was just trying to get this done. Didn't really know if I could get it done because I've never done suspension work before. But I got them in. Took me about an hour and a half. It's a lot easier when you have all the tools you need. You got the lift. It's pretty easy to work on cars when you have everything. But yeah, got it done. A little update on the van. I will catch you all in the next video, which is hopefully taking the van somewhere. So I will see you all later. Peace.